All right, tonight we are taking our scooter slash longboard down to Marina Bay and riding to Satay by the Bay for some satay. Here we go. Okay, well, it is pretty dark out here, but we are currently on the F1 circuit. The pit stop is somewhere over here. Now what we have to do is cross over this double helix bridge and then down across the water. We're going to continue down the bike path all the way down to Satay. But enjoy this view. It is beautiful. We are now at Gardens by the Bay. You can see Marina Bay Sands there in the back. And now we're coming up to the Flower Dome. Such a cool structure, and it is much quieter now. A lot less foot traffic for sure, because it's quite a walk from anywhere to get here. How are you doing?
Okay.
Yeah?
It feels nice out there.
Yeah, the breeze is nice. Okay, we are now approaching Satay by the Bay. It's a little dark, but you can smell the charcoal grilling. I am excited for dinner. Let's go. We're now in. The hardest part is actually finding a seat, but it doesn't look too busy. But we're gonna go ahead and park our vehicles and then find some food. First up, we've got some chicken and pork satay, $7.50 for 10 pieces. Watermelon juice to rehydrate, and a humongous sugarcane juice. The sugarcane juice was $3 and the watermelon juice was $2.30. One thing that I really like about this place is everyone takes PayWave. All right, now we've got our prata, $2.50 for that. Couple pieces, and carrot cake for $5. Just finished dinner, and we are now gonna ride back, but I think we're gonna take a little bit of a detour because I want to go to the barrage, I think that's what they're called, which is like towards the end along the water. Okay, so this is like a new undiscovered area for us, but there's a lot of like little water fountains like this one here, and back there are a few. Obviously with COVID you can't go in, but it looks like this area is kind of like a little water park where people can just go into the water on a nice hot Singaporean day. Okay, well, that was a lot of fun. We're now heading back home. Hopefully we don't get lost, but it feels much cooler, so we should be okay. But we'll take it nice and easy. here is the Cloud Forest. Was formerly the world's largest indoor waterfall in there, but it got beat out by the Changi Singapore Airport Jewel. We're back on the Formula One racetrack, and I actually don't know where it goes from here because it kind of looks like just a regular street, although the race cars do technically drive through the city, so maybe it just opens up and they ride through the city. Anyway, we missed it this year unfortunately, but hopefully at some point we'll get to catch it. I heard it's a pretty epic event here. So this place is like a little underground passageway between like an intersection. It always is filled with really cool b-boys and like biker guys and some skater dudes. This place is great. And we're back in the city. We've got Suntec Mall here. We passed through Marina Square Mall. We also went by Millennium Walk. It's all shopping malls in Singapore once you're in the city. Oh, and there's another one, Raffles City. Wish we lived here, but that's okay. We just live a block away. But I love this hotel, JW Marriott. There's two new residential buildings that are opening up right next to us, and it's called GoPro Midtown. Always building in Singapore. Somehow they find the space. Well, that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride along with us. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. It'd be very helpful, and we thank you for that. Good night.